Hello, my name is Vickie-Marie and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. This video is a quick flow just to get the body moving if you've got 5 to 10 minutes and want to just take some time out for yourself. For this flow, we're going to stay standing. So when you're ready, coming to a position where the feet are hip width apart or maybe slightly closer, depending on how you're feeling today. Just beginning to take the hands down by your side, rolling the shoulder blades down the rib cage. Right, beginning to take the palms forward. Softening or closing the eyes. And just checking if the body begins to lean or tilt. Taking 2 rounds of breath. And beginning to take the arms up overhead, staying wide or beginning to take a bind. We're going to begin to tilt over towards the right. So as I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror you. And then back to center. And then slowly going over towards the left. If we're hovering, that left hand's going a little bit further away. And then back to center. We're going to soften the knees and cactus the arms. Inhaling, taking the arms up overhead. We're going to take the hands behind us. For some of us, we might take pretend pockets. Fingertips are interlacing the hands. And just beginning to open up the shoulders. Softening the knees. And then we're going to begin to take a fold. Bending the knees, hinging at your waist. Forward fold. Beginning to release the fingertips to the lower back, letting the hands slide down towards your feet. Inhaling, halfway lift. And fold. We're going to take a gentle twist. Right hand coming onto that lower right leg or underneath your gaze, heavily bending the right knee. Left hand coming to the hip or maybe the sky. Exhaling, gently release. And taking that twist on the other side. Left hand to the left leg, underneath your gaze. Inhaling the arms up. And fold. Halfway lift. And folding down, taking the arms back up overhead. We're going to take a curtsy, right hand grabbing those left fingertips or wrist, bending the knees, going over to the right. You can stay here, beginning to lift that left heel, staying here or sliding or stepping it back. Really pressing into that right foot. Beginning to come back up to standing. We'll take this on the other side. So left hand grabbing right fingertips or wrist. Bending the knees, going over. Lifting the heel. Staying, sliding or stepping. And coming back to center. Softening the knees, cactusing the arms. Inhaling the arms up. We're taking your choice of bind behind. Softening the knees, hinging at the waist, coming into your forward fold. Releasing the fingertips to the lower back, hands down towards the feet. We'll take that twist again, right hand, your choice for the left. Folding down. Taking on the other side. Exhaling and fold. And coming up to standing, inhaling the arms up. And we'll cactus, softening the knees. Take the arms up overhead. And slowly down in to the heart space. Take a few rounds of breath here. And gently bow the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in yourself and your practice, and carving out just a few minutes to connect with the body, mind, and soul. And may you have an amazing holiday. I'll see you again soon.